The coronavirus has had a big impact on the stock market this week. Fears of an outbreak of the illness resulted in the market seeing its worst week since October of 2008. What's happening on Wall Street has other markets watching the situation closely. This includes the real estate market. Let's go deeper on this with Corey Burr of TTR Sotheby's International Realty.
This is a human tragedy, and we're hoping for the best, that it's not as widespread or not as bad to the people affected. What we're seeing in real estate right now is just the upside of this tragedy, and that is that interest rates have come down another notch. 30-year fixed rates are at 3 3/8, which increases the buying power of buyers. And basically everybody who owns a home and who has an interest rate greater than 3 3/4 should have a standing phone call with a lender to try to refinance.
So say this gets to a pandemic situation where people are being told to stay home. What are your concerns then when it comes to the real estate world?
Well, I would say that the virtual tours, the photography associated with residential real estate is night and day compared to how it was, say, 10 years ago. And a lot of people like to actually shop for houses at their home computer right now. But it's still no substitute for visiting a property and seeing the lay of the land and the size of the lot, etc. So I am concerned that if cities are shut down, we will have basically a market that comes to a standstill as we endure the peak of any outbreak.
Have we in the past seen any situations similar to what we're seeing right now?
Right now, it kind of reminds me a lot of how the market was after the tragedy of 9/11. The Fed dropped interest rates to make the economy stay strong, and it set the stage for the greatest bull market in the last 100 years in residential real estate, which lasted a 4 to 5 year period. Now, I'm not saying we're ever going to recapture that kind of situation, but if the interest rates stay low and this virus isn't as bad as predicted, it could actually, at the other end, come out to be a positive for real estate.
That's Corey Burr of TTR Sotheby's International Realty.